is up, guys? Today we'll be spending all my tokens in Blockade on the Blizzard pack. And how is everybody doing? Because it is December, the new month. So, yeah, let's get opening, I guess. So, let me turn on instant open and let's go. Okay, so we got a gingerbread house. My friend today actually got, what do you call, a Santa Claus. Yeah, I don't think I can get. I only have 1,000 tokens. Oh no, guys. Oh no, guys. This is gonna be the shortest video I've ever made. Ever. No. Give me something. Oh, I got a snowman. I got a snowman. I got a snowman. Oh, I got another snowman. Okay, okay. Okay, two epics. I'm fine with two epics, bro. I'm actually very fine with two epics. But I keep on getting rares, bro. Okay. Um, I'm for sure gonna sell one of my epics because like I don't really need two. So yo, my tokens are already out. How could I not get a Santa Claus, bro? Santa Claus is the same rarity as the king in the medieval pack. No, bro, I'm down to 31. And I got. Don't worry, guys. I could sell one of my snowmans. Everything is fine. Okay, where is it? Oh yeah. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna sell some of these. Okay, one left. I'm selling these things for a good amount. Okay, one left. I'm just gonna sell all my duplicates, bro. Okay. Um. Okay. So after this, we're gonna sell some of my other blocks. Okay, what else do we sell? We need to sell one of my black bears. Um. What else? What else? Oh yeah, some of these. And yeah. I was gonna make a video like this if I reached 100 subscribers, but unfortunately I didn't. But don't worry, guys, it's fine. I'm not mad. Okay, boom. Ooh, I got a Santa sleigh. Second try. I really need this. What do you call it? Santa Claus, bro. Um, don't worry, I'll for sure make a part two. Why can I not? I'm gonna make a part two, so don't worry. This is not gonna be just one. How many tokens do I have left? 221. Okay. I don't know how my friend got it, but yeah. Um, I really need this Santa Claus, bro. I really need it. I keep on getting rares. What's up with me getting so many I keep on getting back-to-back rares. Like, bro, it's not even funny. Okay, yeah. So that was it for round two. Don't worry, we're going on round three. I'm gonna sell all these duplicates. Okay, let's see now. Okay, one left, boom. One left, boom. Okay, we could sell these things for some good prices. They're not bad. Okay, then let's go to the market and open some more packs. Okay, we got a stocking, gingerbread. Okay, and that is our last pack for round three. We got absolutely nothing good. Like literally nothing good. No wait, I almost sold my last Santa sleigh. Whatever it's called. Okay, back to the market. Round four or five, I don't know. We won't be able to spend too many tokens now. But don't worry. Okay, we can open up more packs, bro. Cause like rares are 20 and the packs are 25. So okay, we're just gonna keep on opening at this point. Okay, so everything we got from the what you call Blizzard pack, we got nothing good. Ex- Except for Snowman, we got two in a row from sure. Pretty Sigma, very Sigma. Wait, I have 26. Bruh. Okay, so that's yeah, that's it. Um, Comment down below what you got from the what do you call it? The um Blizzard, yeah. So don't worry, guys. The reason this is short because I'm gonna be adding episodes. So because like at even like I don't know how long this is gonna stay for. At least January 1st. It's gonna stay until 2026. But and meanwhile, I'm gonna try getting some good stuff. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. See ya.